If maths is a mystery to you, why not improve your numeracy skills by joining our Count Me In for Cooking adult learning sessions? They're running for 6 weeks from the 17th of April in Kirkintilloch and are completely free. You'll prepare healthy meals, get tips on batch cooking and meet new people, all while using and learning more about numbers. Jill is 42 and from Bishopbriggs. She took part earlier this year and loved it. She came along because she struggled with maths at school but wanted to help her children with their homework. She said,
I really enjoyed the course as it has given me the confidence to be able to assist my children with their homework. It showed me different methods of working with numbers in a way that made sense. I now understand how to break down the numbers and can use various strategies with them.
If you would like to sign up or find out more, please email countmein, all one word, at eastonbarton.gov.uk. You'll find more details at www.eastonbarton.gov.uk/count-me-in-project.